Most people get Japan's mobile connectivity wrong by assuming their home SIM or single eSIM will cover them without issues. I recently tested every major eSIM option for Japan, and here's what you need to know before you go. First, there are three main types of eSIM providers for Japan. Local Japanese carriers like NTT Docomo, SoftBank-friendly international eSIMs, and global travel eSIMs like Airlo or Nomad. Each has pros and cons. Local Japanese eSIMs generally offer the fastest speeds and best coverage. If you plan to visit rural areas, this is crucial because network reliability drops sharply outside major cities. For example, Docomo-based eSIMs work flawlessly on the Shinkansen and even in small towns. Most people get this wrong by picking global eSIMs without checking rural coverage, leaving them with spotty service in key locations. Global travel eSIMs are convenient because you can activate them before leaving home. I tested Airlo, Nomad, and Holafly. Airlo had good speeds in Tokyo and Osaka, but slowed down significantly in rural areas. Nomad's packages were slightly more expensive, but offered reliable coverage in most tourist areas. The surprising truth is that no single global eSIM perfectly replicates the local carrier experience in Japan. SoftBank-friendly eSIMs are easy for short-term tourists. I found them effective for trips under 2 weeks, especially for city-only travel. They also offer unlimited data plans for reasonable prices, which is great if you rely heavily on maps and streaming. Price is another factor. Local Japanese eSIMs often require a Japanese credit card or ID, which can be tricky for tourists. Global eSIMs can be bought instantly with any credit card. Most people get this wrong by thinking cheaper automatically means better. The cheapest option may have slow speeds, data limits, or poor rural coverage. In conclusion, the best eSIM for Japan depends on your travel style. If you're sticking to cities, a global travel eSIM like Nomad works well. If you are exploring countryside areas, a local Japanese carrier eSIM is worth the extra effort. Most people get mobile coverage wrong by underestimating rural network needs, but with the right eSIM, you'll stay connected everywhere. Subscribe for more travel tech tips so your next Japan trip goes smoothly without any connectivity headaches.